Welcome to PacWest this week for March 12th. Did you know we have 100 people coming to the PacWest Spring Conference in San Francisco next week?
Are you one of them? I hope so.
There are quite a few Fastener Training Institute programs coming up in the next few weeks.
The Certified Fastener Specialist classes start in April.
And we're offering our Automotive Fastener Technology class in Detroit again next month.
If your OEM customers need more training about fastener technology, there's a class just for them in Chicago on June 6th. Visit fastenertraining.org for information.
Have you taken advantage of the private consultations with the Hoftailing Group on your company's sales approach? After you complete a one-page survey, you can set up your appointment. Call the PacWest office for more information.
PacWest has some really great premier partners. Porteous Fastener Company is our platinum partner.
Brighton Best International is a gold partner.
Star Stainless Screw also is a gold partner.
WCL Company is our silver partner.
InSequel Software is a bronze partner.
Metric and Multistandard Components also is a bronze partner.
Thanks for watching. Check in next week for more updates.